Hi everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. This is Putul. I'm here with the course of data analytics. But before I start the session, I want to know how many people have knowledge about data analytics. I'm sure there are many people who has knowledge about data analytics because it's a really demanded job in the market these days, right? So let's look into syllabus first so that we can understand what we are going to learn through my channel. Okay. So first we learn basic to advanced Excel with AI. Because without Excel we can't collect our data, we can't validate our data, right? Second, we learn Power BI so that we can create dashboard like this. After that we learn how to use ChatGPT, and frankly speaking guys, ChatGPT is equally important for everyone. Doesn't matter who is working in government sector and private sector, it is equally matter for everyone. Then after we learn basic to advanced Tableau, which is a little bit equal for Power BI. After that, we learn basic to advanced PowerPoint with AI so that we can create attractive presentation to present in front of your client, in front of your management. Last but not the least, we learn how to build resume like this. Because a, a good resume plays a really important role during your interview, right? So that's it for today lecture, guys. But before end the lecture, I want to clear three things here. First, my lecture will be in English, cause I need to take care of my all student who is good at English or not. Second, I'll try that I will upload my lecture basic to advanced together so that we can learn accordingly from a scratch. Last but not the least, uh, I want to say that I'll make sure that you will get quite good amount of knowledge through my channel. So that's it for today, guys, and stay tuned, learn with me, and happy learning. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.